Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. So today we are going to discuss about NCERTs. Many of you have a doubt whether is the NCERT enough, is it sufficient on its own, when to read NCERT, how to read NCERT, then how many times you should read NCERT. So in this video I am going to cover all the aspects and tell you how to read NCERT, when to read NCERT and all. Now the question is, are NCERTs enough on its own? The answer is no. No, the NCERT is not enough on its own, because everything in NCERT is given on a superficial level, which simply means that there are just facts written and there is no proper explanation. So people need conceptual depth to understand NCERT. That's why I suggest you to read NCERT after you complete a chapter. And also there is limited number of questions, so I suggest you to not to start reading NCERT before completing a chapter or completing the whole syllabus. Should we read NCERT? Yes. But should we depend completely on NCERT? No. Don't depend on NCERT completely. You should definitely read NCERT 2 to 3 times, but please don't depend on NCERT. So now let's discuss about when to read NCERT. So you should read NCERT in different ways for physics and chemistry. So now let's talk about how to read NCERT for physics. See, for reading the NCERT of physics, I suggest you personally that after you complete the syllabus in December, you start to read NCERT, because you have till that time completed all the chapters, and then you may easily read NCERTs. But for chemistry, every day you should read NCERT. Like for example, your lecturer has completed till binary solutions for solution, or let's say till Henry's law till solution. You come home, then read till Henry's law. So for physics you read after your syllabus is completed, and for chemistry you finish the daily tasks or daily syllabus till where your lecture has been completed. Now most of you are wondering, should you solve the NCERT examples and back exercise questions? Yes, you should definitely solve the back exercise questions and NCERT examples, because many conceptual questions are given, so I suggest you to solve them as well. So now the question comes, how to read NCERT? For physics there is a different method to read NCERT, and for chemistry there is different method to read NCERT. Let's discuss first the basic method which is applicable to all. So first you have to read and complete NCERT line by line. I know this will take a lot of time, but this is how it is done. You have to read the NCERT line by line once. Then the second time you will know which things are to be skipped, then which things are important, like that. And for the third time you start highlighting. So by the third time you will read NCERT very fastly, and you may cover the syllabus very fast. For physics and physical chemistry you have to do the same method, reading NCERT first line by line, then the second time you will know what to read, what not to read, what is important and all. And for the third time you start to highlight, because during the third time reading the NCERT you will notice some facts which are not staying in your head, which are not being remembered by you, and that all you may highlight. And the important points in electrostatics, for example, in the electrostatics of a conductor there are 5 points given which are important, which have conceptual knowledge. That all you have to highlight and you have to write the explanation at the side if you want to write the explanation. For physical chemistry also you have to do the same thing. Let me show you my NCERT and I will tell you what I am trying to explain. See, this is my NCERT for electrostatics of conductor. You may see here I have written explanation, and these are, and I have highlighted them after reading the NCERT for third or fourth time. So I suggest you to do the same, and the same way NCERT is read for physical chemistry as well. For inorganic chemistry you have to read the NCERT line by line. See, there are only 2 chapters, and I know D and F block is a vast chapter, but you have to definitely read the NCERT of inorganic chemistry line by line. This is how it goes. For organic chemistry, definitely the reaction explanation, the boiling point, melting points, that is physical properties, chemical properties, and the in haloalkane, haloarine, the other fluoro compounds or chloro compounds like tetrachlorocarbon, trichloromethane, that all you should read, definitely read. And methanol, ethanol explanation is also given, that all you should read compulsory. And guys, I have noticed this in the past year trends, that I don't currently have organic NCERT, but I will use this blank page as an example. So just a second. So assume this is your organic chemistry textbook. Here explanation will be given, and here some points will be given related to that page. It will be short, and in 3-4 lines it will be given. This time about aspirin had come. It has a antipyretic property, something was asked in the exam. So here some points will be given related to a compound or a substance, so you have to read them as well in organic chemistry. Solving the back exercise questions and examples are equally important in physics, chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry. So you should definitely solve those questions, and I suggest you to make a checklist in which you write the names of the chapters in a page. Then above you write physics, chemistry, maths, and here you write 1, 2, 3 for physics, then chemistry 1, 2, 3, maths 1, 2, 3, and then you tick the number of times you have read NCERT. For example, electrostatics, that is electric fields and charges, 1. After you read the NCERT you tick mark it, then for second you tick mark it, third you tick mark it, like that. So let me show you. I have done in rough. So as you can see here I have written CH, means chapter number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here physics, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. If you finish your chapter 1 of physics, then you may tick it like this. If you finish reading it for second time, you may tick it another time. This is how it's done. This may help you to track your progress. So this is it. Let me summarize this whole video for you. First, we have discussed when to read NCERT. Is NCERT enough on its own? Then how to read NCERT. Just follow this sequence. First understand the lecture, understand the concept, understand the whole chapter, then move to NCERT. Without these steps, please don't move to NCERT. You will feel lost, because there is no written definitions, or there is no correct explanations for the point. There is only one point given and they have left it like that. You will feel lost and you will feel tensed if you don't understand it. So after completing this syllabus. For physics you read NCERT. For chemistry it's okay because they have given some depth in chemistry. So that's it for today's video. Meet you in the next video, and please do comment which video would you like next, how to revise or how to make a timetable. I will be bringing it in the next video. Thank you.